Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss plants in our surrounding and environment. Students, you saw a lot of plants around us. Some plants are big and strong, and some plants are very small and weak. These plants can be divided on the basis of their shapes and sizes. In your previous class, you studied about the plants can be divided on the basis of herbs, shrubs, and trees. Now, in this video, we will discuss the parts of a plant. Students, there are two parts of a plant. First is root and second is shoot. See these plants? These are the roots of a plant. Now, what is the root? Root, the part of a plant that grows under the soil, is known as the root of a plant. There are two types of root. The first is taproot and second is fibrous root. Two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. So firstly we discuss the taproot. Taproot. See this plant very carefully. This is the taproot. The main single root that grows downward the soil is known as taproot. And many other roots grow on the side of this taproot. Okay, मीन्स कि एक सिंगल रूट होगी और उसके साथ में आपको छोटी छोटी और रूट्स दिखाई देंगी. ठीक है, उसको आप टेप रूट बोलेंगे. द एग्जाम्पल्स आर रेडिश, टर्निप, कैरेट, etc. Now, the fibrous root. Fibrous root, a bunch of thread-like roots that grow downwards from the base of the stem. आपको इसमें बहुत सारे धागे के गुच्छे दिखाई देंगे. ठीक है, उसको आप fibrous root बोलेंगे. Okay, examples. Now, examples are like this grass. This is the example of fibrous root. Okay, the functions of a root. First is root hold the plant firmly in the soil. Second, they absorb water, nutrients from the soil. Third, root hold the soil and prevent it from being washed away. Fourth, we eat some roots like carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato and beetroot. These are the functions of a root. Now we discuss the part of shoot. What is shoot? The part of a plant that grows above the soil is called shoot. It bears stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds inside fruits. Okay, the stem, the part of a shoot that bears the leaves, buds, flowers and fruits is called stem. It can be soft and weak or woody and hard. Okay, stem जो है किसी भी प्लांट की शॉर्ट हो सकती है या फिर वीक हो सकती है या हार्ड और लकड़ी देने वाली भी हो सकती है. नाउ द फंक्शंस ऑफ अ स्टेम. फर्स्ट इज इट कीप्स द प्लांट अपराइट अबव द ग्राउंड. सेकेंड, इट कैरीज वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम रूट्स टू लीव्स, flowers and fruits. Third is it carries food made by the leaves to all the parts of the plant. And fourth is in some plants like potato, ginger, the stem is underground and stores the food. Okay. Now students, today we will discuss about the types of plants, types of roots and parts of a plant. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root, stems and functions of stem, functions of root. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.